Alright, so we got the bed in, but it's so fucking late now. I'm going to start like actually decorating the room tomorrow. I can't wait to get this room together because like it's gonna look so fucking cute. But yeah, I just want to decorate during sunlight. Also, we don't get our bed frame for another like 4 days to like a week, so that's gonna suck. Okay, it's the next day and we just went to Walmart and I got, okay, that is food. I got lights because I want to hang them like just above the bed and then like intertwine leaves and my lanterns on them.
And I got a movie.
Yeah, he got a movie. And we're just gonna go to IKEA now and I want to get a little desk because I think it would just be nice to have an actual art space instead of just doing it wherever I can. We officially on our way to IKEA now. Oh my god, I'd die for IKEA. This is what I'd stand for. Not a flag, but like the IKEA flag. That is not the IKEA flag. Oh, not my pots. Do you need help?
It's too much of the house.
Yeah, I'm sorry. At least we have a wagon.
It's not. It's gonna break the wagon if we put it on the wagon. We're gonna have to.
We can roll it with the wagon. Not the wagon, the wheelie thing. Yeah. I know. People at IKEA walk so fucking slow. Like.
No. This is how they walk. Go.
I know. Fucking. Ugh. Like, at least just don't do it in the middle of the aisle, but it's only the hose in the middle of the aisle. It sucks. But I got me desk and a chair and some potted plants. And it was expensive, but had a gift card from Christmas. So, I'm gonna be alright. So, I'm about to figure out how to build this table. This is the one I got. Look at these little men. I guess I'm gonna get started and then once I'm like good at building it, I'll go back to filming. I finally found out where all the screws are, but like I'm looking and like I have no idea where to start. I'm just lost. I think we're starting with the bottom. I don't really know. Okay, I am having the worst time ever trying to figure this out because like it told me to screw these in, but it didn't tell me which side. So obviously I chose the wrong side. And I have to unscrew them and then screw them back in here, and it's so hard. I think I'm actually doing super good now, but I have been like breaking. Like I have been breaking. And oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh my god, no. Okay, I'm doing super good now. Okay, what was I supposed to put in there? Because what the fuck, what did I just do? Okay, wait, for really? Okay. That was just a little slip up. It's just because I was filming, that's all. I haven't been doing that this whole time. This is really super hard, but also I would not pay someone $20 to put this together for me because like, I just don't like people being in my home. I thought we already did that step. Hold on. Okay, no, we're good. Oh, please don't fall apart. Do these. For real? This is like backwards. Why is it like that here? Oh, let me figure this out. Cause what the fuck? Oh my god. This may be a little poorly put together, but that's because some of the parts just didn't fit together. My hands hurt so much from screwing these. Like I've been so much.
From screwing who, Blake?
It's backwards. Beautiful. How does it feel, Zach?
Good.
Okay, so here's the desk. 6 hours later, I finally got it done. It's crazy. I still haven't put everything on it, but I didn't put these on the back because I kind of want to put posters right there. All right, so here she is with a few decorations on her. I'm gonna tell you where I got everything. Like, sorry for this flashing lights. I'll tell you where I got everything like at the end of this video once I'm done with it. All right, so now that my desk is like somewhat finished, I kind of want to start putting up the posters, but I'm not sure. I think I might just start hanging stuff on my ceiling, like hanging lights and stuff first, and then I'll focus on all of that. So I just have to find everything. I'm so sorry. I hit him in the head with the mirror.
Who?
Momo.
Is he okay?
I hope. Momo, stop walking my posters. Can you do something for me? Can you warm?
Yeah.
Can you hold it?
I'm not sobbing, I'm just. Stretch my left eye. That's not my left eye.
Okay, I finally have the mirrors up. So happy. That was so terrible getting them up. Okay, so I'm just gonna put up some lights now, like above my bed. We'll see how this goes. I hope these are like long enough to like wrap around or whatever. So my plan is to like go up there and like go as much around as I can. But I don't think I'm gonna film it. I don't want to time lapse it. I just want to get it up and then show y'all. All right, the lights are up, but they're a little uneven because the fan's there, so I have to make sure I don't actually get anything caught on it. But yeah, hopefully I'll be able to put a tapestry over these or something like that. Okay, so here are the tapestries on the ceiling, all the lights so far. I need to rehang this one, but I don't know. This is it. This is about to be hard as fuck, but I'm gonna do it. This shit is exhausting. Like, it be pulling muscles. Okay, here we go. Here's our ceiling. I don't know if I should try and put a little something here because I have something that'll fit, but I'm not sure if it'll look good with the rest of them. So I think that's it for the ceiling for now. I'm so out of breath, but I have like lanterns. And I'm gonna try to like kind of hang them from the lights. Like, I don't know, you'll see. Oh my god, that looks super cool. Look, okay, it's gonna come together once like everything's on the wall. I promise. I promise. Okay, so I'm not sure if the stuff around the door is gonna go there for sure yet, but I'm gonna put up these lights because I know I do want them up. Okay, so I finished putting all the posters on the wall, which is like 80% of the wall stuff, I'm pretty sure. 80, 75. And now I just need to put together my desk chair because I just want to break from that before I start putting the rest of the wall stuff on because it's going to be complicated as hell. So yeah, I'm just going to put this chair together. Alright, so I've put up some of the creepy cloth. Now I just need to start putting up vines. I think that whole wall is going to be like pretty much green, like all over, just green. Alright, so real quick, I'm going to show you guys another progress picture. So we'll start with my door. Here's my door. And I got this. I might move this though because like when you open, you can't really open my door all the way. But that's kind of good because the cat's food is here for right now. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. I think I'll move it somewhere else in the room. And I'm going to tell you guys where I got all this shit from like once I do the official tour. And then I got these and like, look. Isn't that crazy? I love it. So I got my creepy cloth up there, my desk finally all decked out, the Hello Kitty lamp, and then a bunch more posters. We went to Ross today. I forgot to film, but we got a jewelry holder for all our jewelry. And then over here it's kind of bare, but it's okay. I'm just gonna keep it like that, I guess. And then obviously this. It looks so good with all the leaves. Little monkey poster. The Marilyn Monroe, blah, 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 the hymn. Yeah, so that's it for now. She's so sexy. I hope I can have this on here. Ooh, okay, I'm about to put this rug down. I think it's gonna look really nice in here. Okay. All right, so it is finally like the end of the video. So now I'm going to tell you where I got everything and show you the full room. So I'm gonna show you the full room first. So let's start with the front door. These are all from antique stores. This is from Amazon. These are all from like, I have no idea at this point to be honest. But this is from my friend Avery. This is from an antique store. I bought this from GhostBank. This is from Amazon. This is from movie trading company. My friend Avery. I don't know where this is from, and my boyfriend got this from some screen printer. And then these are all from the antique store. They're so crazy, I love them. But these tapestries, they're all from Amazon. And let me stay on track, let me just move this way. So it's from my friend Avery. The creepy cloth is from Amazon. Movie trading company, Avery. Antique stores. This is from Ross, and Us Jewelry, I really don't know where it's from. This is from Avery. I got this on like a secondhand shop site. I don't remember which one. It might have been Depop. Also, I got this from Amazon. It's a humidifier, and it doesn't really work that well, but I like it. This lamp is from Avery, but it doesn't work. And then this LED sign is from Amazon. I got this out of like a biker magazine. Amazon, antique stores. This is from Avery. It's just a plant hanger. I haven't hung it up yet. No idea where this is from, but this desk is from IKEA. I showed you what it was like earlier. I got this from an antique store, and then antique store Avery. And then I got this from Avery. I don't know where it's from. Also, this rug. Oh, there's a straw on it. I hate Momo. This rug is from Amazon. Okay, I got this at an antique store, but if you know, you know. And then Avery, this mirror, I don't know, it's probably from Walmart. And then IKEA, antique store, movie trading company. That magazine, also the same magazine. Craigslist. Amazon. I got this on the Neighbors app and I got it for like $20. Avery, half price books. antique store, Ghostmane, IKEA, and then the creepy cloths, Amazon still. These lights are from Walmart. Avery, Half Price Books, Avery, Amazon, Avery. All these leaves are from Amazon. This is from Avery. I know, I just stole Avery's whole fucking room. Avery, Movie Training Company. This is from a manga, High School of the Dead. Avery. No, this one's actually from a Playboy magazine. And it's from the antique store. It's from Amazon. Now, let me show you my room with like the lights all like on. Alright, so this is it with all the lights on, and it's like bright outside right now, so it's not that cool. It's way cooler at night, but you're... Alright, so that is the end of this video. Let me know if you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, you can ask them down below, and thank you for watching.